Hello students, today I am going to show you the guidelines through the process of the registration for Cisco Ideathon registration form for the upcoming campus. So first of all, let's go through the prerequisites and the requirements in order to register yourself. So the key details for this registration form is the deadline for the registration is June 12, 2026, and the prerequisites is it is mandatory for the students to complete all the prerequisites in order to participate in the Ideathon. So what are the prerequisites that are necessary for this is that those students who are uh, actually eligible are those who are already registered and have completed their Cisco Ideathon learning course modules. There were total 8 modules provided in that Ideathon, and you have to complete it by 8th of June. Okay, the deadline to complete prerequisites is June 10. That means all the certifications that you have to receive by then is June 10, 2026. Please ensure that students complete the prerequisites before registering. Okay. Now let's move on for the further process. After the registration, if you once done, so the registration should be completed between 8th to 12th June. After that, you will go through the round one, that is online assessment on 25th of June. You will going to have online assessment test on 25th of June. After that, once that is done, you have to submit your ideas. Okay, from whenever you will going to receive the mail from till the first week of July. Okay, from first week onwards you will keep submitting your ideas, and after the second week onwards you will going to have a round 2, that is interview. After your round 2 once completed, you will going to have your results, that means shortlisting of all those who have cleared the interview by 31st of August. And after that you will going to get the internship opportunities by first week of January 2027. Okay, so eligibility criteria, I have already told you that those students who are actually registered in Cisco NetAcad India, that website, and those who are students who are actually been enrolled and have completed their certification in Ideathon, Cisco Ideathon course module, where there were total 8 modules that you have to complete. Student must have completed all the required prerequisites, no current backlogs, arrears at the time of participation. You shouldn't have any backlogs in your BTech or whatever you are pursuing in your engineering. And the key dates that is more important that you should remember, that is your pre-placement talk will happen on 24th of June, and your online assessment will be done by 25th of June. Okay, these are your key dates that you should remember. Let's move forward for the registration process. Now this is your registration form. This is how you before you start to do that, this is how it would look like. Now remember students, this form need to be filled by 8th and 12th June, between 8th and 12th June of 2026. Before completing the registration, it is advised to go through the eligibility criteria to participate in the Ideathon. Students, I am again saying this, requesting you students to please go through the details. Okay, आपकी ईमेल आईडी आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता होनी चाहिए, इट शुड बी एक्यूरेट. जो आपने नेट अकेड के टाइम पे जो मेल आईडी आपने यूज़ करके अपने खुद को रजिस्टर किया था, लॉगिन की थी, वही मेल आईडी आपकी होनी चाहिए रजिस्टर करते वक्त भी. ठीक है, each student should register only one time. आप सिर्फ सिंगल टाइम रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हैं, आप मल्टीपल टाइम्स रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करेंगे. अगर आप करते भी हो तो यू विल बी डिस्क्वालिफाइड इन द फ्यूचर. ओके, so please make sure that your email ID is accurate and you supposed to be registered once. Okay, और रजिस्ट्रेशन करते वक्त चीज़ों का ध्यान रखें, पूरा इंस्ट्रक्शंस पढ़ लें, उसके बाद कोई भी चीज़ फीड करें. ठीक है, so start now. This is a registration form. Okay, now candidate registration instruction वापस से रिपीट हो रहा है यहाँ पे, तो ध्यान रखना है, पढ़ के ही करना है. ठीक है, पार्टिसिपेंट्स टू रजिस्टर ओनली Prerequisite is completed. Prerequisite means Cisco Ideathon course module is completed. वही स्टूडेंट्स एलिजिबल है इस फॉर्म को फिल करने में. ठीक है. Participant should not have any active backlogs arrears at the time of registration. Students आपके पास कोई backlog नहीं होना चाहिए. There is no gap, there is no backlogs. Okay, it should be clear. Participants must be final year students. This form is for those students who will complete their graduation in 2027. Okay. Deadline to register is by 10 p.m. Okay, on 12th June 2026. Key dates, remember, I have already repeated this, I am again repeating it. Please remember, your pre-placement talk will be on 24th and your online assessment will be on 25th of June. Okay. The shortlisting process will include an online assessment and the top performers will get an opportunity to be a part of further process. Okay. Further process has already been described to you students before this session. All selected candidates will be contacted via email. Whatever process will happen in the procedure cycle, you will be informed via contact your mail ID itself. So your mail ID should be accurate. Okay. Now let's move forward. Enter your full name. Your full name should be as per the recorded name that you have recorded yourself in your college. Okay, it should not be something else. You cannot give your alias name or anything. Okay, it should be proper name that you have actually been registered with. So feed your name first here, then you have to give your gender. Okay, enter your primary mobile number. Write your mobile number properly. You people mess up with the digits. Okay, don't do that. Enter your secondary mobile number. If you have optional number, you can provide that. If you don't have, you can repeat the same number or you can just skip this part. Okay. Now enter your email ID used for NetAcad course completion. Students, आपने आइडियाथॉन जब कंप्लीट किया था तो जो आपने मेल आईडी यूज की थी वही मेल आईडी यहाँ पे देना है. ठीक है. यूज द प्रॉपर मेल आईडी एंड राइट इट एक्यूरेटली. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ कैप्स लॉक है, कहीं डॉट लग रहा है, कहीं कुछ हो रहा है. नहीं, एक्यूरेट होना चाहिए क्योंकि उसी में ही आपको फर्दर प्रोसेस का मेल आएगा. ठीक है. इंटर योर कॉलेज ईमेल आईडी. अगर आपके पास कोई भी कॉलेज ईमेल आईडी अगर आपको प्रोवाइड किया गया है तो आप फ्री हैं, उसको भी आप यहाँ पे आप दे सकते हैं. ठीक है. अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो ऑल टुगेदर यू कैन जस्ट स्किप दिस पार्ट बिकॉज इट इज ऑप्शनल. प्लीज एंटर योर कॉलेज नेम. कॉलेज नेम सही होना चाहिए. ठीक है. अगर आप LNCTE के हैं तो LNCTE फुल फॉर्म पूरा आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. इफ यू आर फ्रॉम LNCT यू हैव टू गिव फुल फॉर्म ऑफ LNCT. यू आर फ्रॉम LNCTS you have to give the full form. If you are from LNCT and S you have to give again the full form of the your college name. Okay. Select your college state. It's Madhya Pradesh. College city Bhopal. Select your degree. Whatever you are pursuing, either it is Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Engineering or BTech, you can provide here BTech. Let's say I am giving BTech. Your specialization, if you are from AIML, you have to provide AIML. If you are from EC or EA background, you have to provide accurately as per that. Uh, for demo sake, I am giving computer science and engineering. Enter your CGPA. Students, do not give percent value. Okay, it should be your enter your CGPA up to 2 decimal values. So adhere to that rule. Okay, you have to provide decimal marks. Okay, that is your CGPA. You cannot give your percentage. If your mark sheet is only mentioning the percentage value, check behind the mark sheet. You will have the CGPA conversion as well. Okay, so only mention the CGPA values. Enter your university or college roll number. Now here you have to provide your enrollment number, and students do not mess up with the digits or alphabets. It should be accurate as per the record in your college. Okay. Select your graduation year. Of course, for you it would be 2027. Please confirm if you are available for the internship. Students always say yes. Okay. Your internship period is given from January 27 onwards till June 27. Okay. Since this form is for the internship as well. Okay. So always say yes. Please select your participation from the following program. Although this is optional, but it is recommended for you students to please go through all of this. Let me show you one by one. Okay, so this is your consulting engineer uh, form. Okay, for this particular role, if you're applying for, so currently if you go through the job description, please note this posting is to advertise potential job opportunities. This exact role may not be open today but could open in the near future. When you apply, a Cisco representative may contact you directly if a relevant position opens. Okay, so here you are supposed to apply. Okay, you will apply by not logging in. आप लॉग इन नहीं करेंगे, आप डायरेक्टली क्या करेंगे, आप जिन रोल्स के लिए भी आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं आप उस पर पहले रिसर्च करेंगे, उसके बाद इस पर आप अप्लाई करेंगे. ठीक है. Whenever you click the apply, you will redirect it to again another form. This form is very much important. मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रही हूँ, ये सिस्को करियर का वेबसाइट है, वेब पेज है, वेब एप्लीकेशन है. आप यहाँ पे लॉगिन नहीं करेंगे, आपको अप्लाई नाउ पे जाके अपना क्रेडेंशियल्स फिल करना है. ठीक है. यू विल फिट ऑल दिस डिटेल्स, योर कंट्री और रीजन, लीगल गिवन नेम्स, लीगल फैमिली नेम, things that are optional you can always keep. City, state, mail address should be accurate. Okay. Phone device type, country phone code, phone number, ये सब accurate होना चाहिए because these are the credentials that will be used in future to contact you. Okay. How did you hear about us? Through college campus? Have you ever been issued a Cisco employee ID or Cisco email address? Say no. Why? Because you are a fresher, you have never been in the Cisco before this. So say no. Yeah, how can we contact you? There are a few options that can be used to Cisco may contact you. Okay, and then next, and then there will be the further process. Okay, same for the other options as well. You have technical consulting engineer. Again, you will going to do say apply now, and you will going to do the same with the software consulting engineer. Here also you will going to apply now. But the students who are eligible for this program need to apply any of the three programs. Okay, you have to apply. Now, have you completed yet to complete prerequisite NetAcad course listed part of eligibility criteria as on 10 June 2026? Now, already you students have been continuously been monitored and told you that this 8 modules should be completed. This 8 modules belongs to Ideathon. Okay, Cisco Ideathon in your course that is enlisted in your NetAcad. Okay, this should be completed. If it is completed, you have to give completed. Then next, now you will be redirected to the next setting of the form. Here it is said if you appeared for any Cisco test and code with Cisco interview process, always say no because you have never been through this before this registration form has appeared. So it's no for you. Okay. Please confirm if you have any active academic arrears. Now you don't have backlogs. The students, those who are not with the backlogs are only eligible for filling this form. So say no. Please confirm your nationality. It's Indian. Okay. Please key in if you have any specific question about the program. If you have any specific question about the program, you can mention here the question. Okay. But make sure those questions should be relevant. Okay, it's not that you are asking randomly because it was told. It is optional. If you don't have, just you can just skip it. Okay, the roles are in Bangalore, Pune. Are you open to relocate to either location? Always say yes. Okay, always say yes. Now, 23rd question is important because processing for personal data. Cisco is asking for the permission if you will, because obviously making any further contact with you or anything that need to be shared with you, so we will going to process the personal data. So it wants your agreement. So I agree and then submit. So once the response is submitted, here is the response page. Okay, your response was submitted. uh, Now save my response, you can do that and the response will be saved. Okay, and remember not to keep registering yourself multiple times. Once you are registered, that is it. You're not supposed to keep registering once again and again. If you do that, you will be disqualified. Okay,